Go, boy! Let's go, boy! That's what we do, son! Let's go!
She wanna turn to a fucking
What the fuck's wrong with you? Ow!
You! Fuck you! Fuck! I can do this. I can do this. Okay. Okay. I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about.
Back, Negro, back! Back! I said go back!
If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, can you handle that? You ain't ready for this work now. Watch me throw it back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back,
From the back.
throw it back. My ass too fat.
They had me like the.
Why are you calling?
Cause all you do is fucking snap down the bitches.
Shit pissed me off for real. Why do you act like that?
Like what?
The way that you act, you don't see how you act why people don't want to be around you?
No.
Look how you act.
Todo gusto le atendemos. Compramos carros y camionetas viejas para desarmar.
Why my brother always slapping the fuck out my damn head?
I am fucking crazy, but I am free.
You can pack your things and leave. There's the door. There's the door, bitch!
You son of a bitch! You piece of shit! You fucking goddamn fucker! Listen, fuckhead! You have fucking crossed the line! Get that through your goddamn fucking head!
Texting my GF another girl is flirting with me.
Where is she? Where is she?
She bent over literally and bent her ass in my face.
You're such a...
Mom, yes, my son. I'm trying to put the stuff in the suitcase, but it can't fit. What do you mean it can't fit now? Mom, there's no more space. Man, move out the way, you useless. Man, give me the stuff. Give it to me. What do you mean it can't fit?
Where's he at? Sir, I have a moment to speak with you. Everyone in the comments is telling me to apologize. I'm sorry, bro. We good? Man, fuck you.
My God, these bitches gay. Good for them. Good for them.
3 years ago this happened.
Hey, yo, mama.
What?
So I don't want you to be mad at me, okay?
Oh my god, Darren, you start off a conversation with that. Clearly I'm gonna be mad.
Okay, well, like, I double pierced my ear.
Bullshit.
What?
Darren, that earring looks super fake, and I'm sure the hole is fake.
No, it's real for real.
But
Like,
the only other hole you probably have is like somewhere in your brain. Stop messing with me.
Wait, he doesn't have a butthole?
Oh my Karen!
Bro, what? Bro, that doesn't even make sense. Hey! Do you like it or not?
No, get away from me. I'm trying to get ready.
Fine.
Hey, Mom, tomorrow's senior skip day. Can I stay home from school? Boy, you still going to school? Nah, she tripping for no reason. Mom, I'm gonna be the only one in school and no one's going. Jamal, your ass is going to school and that's it. You know what? Fine. That's what your breaths think. Nah, Jit, tripping. Hey, bro, your mom know you skipped school today? Oh, yeah, she said it was alright. Nah, Jit, lying. Hello? Jamal, why you not in school? Oh, Mom, I'm in class right now. What you mean? Jamal, I'm in your class right now. You not in here? Nah. Mom, what you doing at my school? Boy, don't worry about it. You thought you could lie to me and I wouldn't find out? Ooh, I'ma whoop your ass when you get home. Nah, I'ma get whooped. I'm not gonna be able to sit down for 2 weeks. That's crazy.
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees.
Hoes said they wish a bitch would, and I'm a genie. Bitch so hot, gotta stay in bikinis. He got a girl, but he keep begging to see me. I love it when a nigga got a mouth full of BBs.
Big cap, damn homie, where's the drip at? Got this chick in the car, she complaining too much, told her sit back, sip that. Gave her some yak, told her relax, boom bow, that's how you fix that.
What did the ocean say to the beach? Nothing, it just waved. Would you like some ginger ale?
Bro, I fucking told you if you leave.
I just tapped his shoulder so I know that he is touchable. Put 30 in my chop and then I turned him to a Huxtable. Came a long way from pre-K and eating Lunchable.
Unexpected like a mixtape catch you at your crib if you're reading this is too late.
This is actually kind of fucked up. So in college, I studied meteorology, and one of the first things we learned is this. So if you hear your weatherman or woman say that there's going to be like a 30% chance of rain tomorrow, right? What that actually means is that 30% of the people in the area that they're talking about will see rain. Not 30% chance that area might see rain. So I live in St. Louis. So when they say, hey, there's a 40% chance of rain tomorrow, that doesn't mean that 40% chance of it happening. It's going to happen, and 40% of the St. Louis area is going to see rain. Kind of fucked up.
Sir? Sir? Sir, are you there?
See who can punch the softest.
Hit the softest?
Yep, yeah.
Okay, you first.
That's it.
You win!
Leave it for tomorrow. Leave it, because look, you see the cloud, how go like that? It's going to rain.
And let you know, I just came to remind y'all que ese culo bota caca.
Get your ass on that bed and prepare for the night of your life.
I can hit that dollar, nigga, you gon' get an ounce. Goddamn, little bitch on that cool, like Montana. I'm on hygiene codeine, I'ma float like a fountain. Baby, need some protein work.
Hey, yo, can I get a water cup real quick?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Oh, thanks.
For water, right?
Yeah, for water. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna get a Pepsi.
Is that water?
Hey, not gonna work. Can we go thrift shopping?
No.
Can I use your AirPods real quick? Why? It's for a video real quick. Oh, what's up guys? I'm giving away these 2 iPhones and these pair of AirPods. All you gotta do is follow me on Instagram and DM me proof and follow everyone that I'm following. These could be yours right here. Is it cut? Yeah. Bro, do you lose the receipt? I can't find it. Yeah, I lost it, bro. What are you talking about? You lost the receipt, bro. Nah, we gotta find it. Bro, there's literally no iPhone, just the case. That's the whole point. Okay, I just be buying like iPhone boxes and shit for the low. But
Why?
Like, it's believe y'all gotta say someone won and then yeah, they buy that shit.
I don't feel like working out today. Maybe tomorrow.
Let's get it.
Yo, GG's, like, you still a bitch, though. I don't give a fuck.
Spin the block, bitch. Fuck you.
Nigga, shut the fuck
5K,
up.
bitch. Bitch, I beat the fuck out of you, bitch. I beat the bricks out of you, bitch. I fucking chopped your fucking teammate off, bitch.
I am fucking crazy, but I am free.
Apparently Jesus could walk on water, but he never rode on it. Let's try.
Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always
Ugh. It smells sour like funky.
Letting my cat try catnip. Back at it again and let you know. I just came to remind y'all. Que ese culo bota caca.
Hey, sir. How's it going down there?
Just finished up. Drain is good to go.
What was the problem?
Oh, it was actually the weirdest thing. This was stuck in your pipes.
Oh my gosh, that is so embarrassing.
Really? Why?
That's, my toy.
Aren't you a little old to be playing with toys?
It's just my husband has been working so late these days. He probably won't be home for a few more hours.
Sounds like a good guy. Working so hard to put food on the table and buy you toys.
I know, it's just been so lonely. That's why I've been playing with myself.
I get it. When I get the house to myself, there's nothing I love more than just busting out the old Legos.
If only there was a strapping young man for me to play with.
Was it a 2-player game? Oh, is this like a bop it?
Maybe. Would you like me to pull it?
I don't know. Is that a part of the game?
Or maybe rather I twist it?
So it is bop it.
Hey bro, I got this new invention. Shit, let's hear it. It's called a clock. Okay. It's gonna reflect how we keep track of the time of day. I'm gonna put 12 numbers on it. So the day's gonna be cut into 12 parts. Nah, 24. Okay, so the day starts at 1? Nah, it's gonna start at 12, which is at night. The day's gonna start at night. Yeah. The 6 means 30. Okay. But for real. And then you see how I put 2 hands on it? This is where it get interesting. The little hand keeps track of the bigger increment of time. The other hand keep track of the lesser increment of time. What about that hand? Right there. Oh, that one right there? Yeah, that one. It's called the second hand. Sounds like a good idea to me, bro.
Work snuck out when he wasn't looking. He like, babe, why I smell like Badussy? What? Booty, dick, and pussy. I'm closer to a pimp than a simp. Big Rex make me.
It hangs, I guess, right here. Oh my god, wait, let me move this. But it is moving.
Alexa, should I get back with my ex?
It depends on the context of this.
Loud and clear, honey, that's an obvious yes.
Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m.
Alarm set for 7 a.m.
Perfect,
tomorrow.
babe, perfect. And it would be awful if Alexa canceled that alarm.
7 a.m. alarm.
Good,
canceled.
don't do that.
So find healthy food near me.
I found many healthy restaurants.
No,
in your area.
Alexa, find healthy food near me.
I found many healthy restaurants.
Alexa, fast
in your
food, babe. Just fast.
Alexa, remind me to do my school.
Sounds good. What time should I remind you? Please set a time to confirm. Come back. You need to choose a time.
Oh shit.
Yo, what?
Yo, I meant to text you and I called you.
No way.
I hit the wrong button.
Yeah,
Yo,
okay.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye. See ya.
I remember when I lost my mind.
Her one saint crap.
Oh my goodness.
Had me in
Deep breath
tears.
in, exhale out. That's good. Keep relaxed. Hold. Good.
Oh, that was such a big relief. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. I'll take those tissues now. Oh, I feel so good, babe. People have no idea. You're amazing.
I wonder if parents just like get bored sometimes and then like want to argue because they know they're gonna win because they're older. Ugh. Hey, real quick, I'm about to go to the grocery store. Do you need anything? Goldfish. Got it. Goldfish. Okay. What is that? What is this? A bracelet. Oh, it's a bracelet. Okay, yeah. So you don't think that I was your age at some point, huh? Because I was. And this? No. Oh, don't act surprised. Don't play dumb. Because guess what? I know exactly what you've been doing. And I know exactly who you've been seeing. I know what this is, okay? I am an adult. You are a teenager, okay? So don't act like you know more than me. Because I've been around a lot longer than you have, okay? You don't know everything about the world. So stop acting like it, okay? Fuck your goldfish. You're getting whales.
My husband's catching on to me, so I've got this rope attached to some fishing line because it's the only thing I can think of to scare him with. Babe! Babe! What? There's a snake in the bathroom! There's a snake in the bathroom.
Are you serious?
Yes, I don't know. Maybe it just came in because it rained or something. I don't know.
There's no way.
There is. It's by the back of the toilet.
Step back. Wow. You're lucky. You are lucky I did not drop my tree.
I want to make sure that your ice cream machine is in working order.
Our ice cream machine works, baby.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, yeah. Yo, no. Okay, you know what's up now. You already know what I want, baby. Let me get that McFlurry. Oh yeah, baby. And let me get a quarter pounder.
Quarter pounder with cheese.
Yeah, let me get a quarter pounder with cheese and make that the meal, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, you already know what it is.
What you gonna drink with that?
I'ma get a root beer with no ice.
We got no root beer with no ice.
God damn, let me get a Coca-Cola then.
With no ice.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
You already know I'm coming to that window.
Come to that make first window.
I'm coming then.
Attention everyone, I have a quick toast. What are you doing? Tomorrow my dad here is going on a date with a girl for the first time in 5 years. Yeah! Let's hope he can get it up. Woo!
Are you done now?
I'm out.
Appreciate it, Doc. So, is it normal to not feel anything from the neck down?